We're doing it on the Nexus. This is subscriber versus subscriber, FlyingBird versus Mmawarrrior56. Dude.
Oh, hey Ray.
What's up, Tim?
I know you have this deck.
Is it it's Ojama's, right? Wait, whose is that?
That's Tim.
Fucking Tim. I haven't played the...
I know you have this deck.
I have not. Yeah, Invoke is actually like top 5 right now.
I know, right?
It's still up there.
But what's even worse is when you sit down and think about what the deck I'm playing is.
It's Shaddoll or Dogmatika.
Which one is it?
Could be both. I think it's Dogmatika.
Activate? Oh.
Yeah, it's Dogmatika right there. Yeah.
Fact.
So FlyingBird and Mmawarrrior56, they don't know what decks they're going up against, so they don't counter each other.
Well, this deck about counters everything.
Maybe.
Ooh.
Oh.
Using that Maximus effect. Ooh, I knew it. Oh, good toss there. We got the Ash Dragon and Apollon.
That's okay. I don't use my extra deck anyway, so.
Let's see, toss
Yeah.
Masquerena and Ultimate.
Well, there it is random for this deck.
End phase. Both end phase? Did you do Apollon's effect? Tim? Painful choice.
What's painful decision?
Or painful decision.
Okay.
Like that.
Did you add on? With the same name as that. Oh, that's
Okay.
pretty cool.
No problem.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck is that?
I know what deck he's playing. Yeah.
Pendulum!
Right off the top of my head.
What the heck?
It's a bunch of vanilla.
Yeah, the deck that I used before when this deck.
I know what deck it is.
I have no idea what this is.
This deck was around before MR4.
Triff Gaming would be proud. Holy shite! You got any
But you'll
clears?
see
No.
more about this deck in a
Okay.
minute. Well, I'm talking to
There a 10 key in there? I'm sensing 10 key for some reason. The normal monster? No. Oh. Baguska.
Okay.
Also, their effects negated.
Yep.
Monsters are never in the 10th position.
Okay. And you know what's funny?
Oh. Oh, what the fuck? The monsters are here. Oh, you control non-effect. Negative 6. Let's go to 6. Oh,
If you know what tangies do.
Fists of the Unrivaled Tenyi.
You know what? Actually, I'm not worried about it. I'll make you beat me. I was like, I'll force you to beat me.
Yes.
Now for the fun part. There's still a special summon monster!
But I'll go right to the fence now.
I could negate Baguska, yeah.
It's like my monster still has that negate.
So, Cyframe Lord Omega and Entis. What's he got there? He took a double and Dweller. Okay, Entis. It's gonna pop Baguska.
Then we're gonna activate Omega's effect.
For this deck, it can either try and use extra deck, or it can shut it out completely.
Dude,
Or
I know what I can do.
That was a good Maximus, Cyframe, Lord Omega, and Entis combo there. And then recycled it back with Omega's effect. What happened? Oh. Punishment. Yep.
How do you know?
Because you have two set right now.
That's the punishment? Yeah, I do. Let's see. Two.
Looks like he's going for Dragoon here, guys.
I can't special summon from the extra.
Oh
I
yeah.
can't special summon from the extra deck. There.
Since you used the Dogmatica effect of Ecclesia.
Maximus.
Oh right. Well,
So
you
I use
did.
the effect of Maximus.
Did you normal summon Ecclesia?
No, but I had already activated Maximus. As
Oh,
the deck.
okay.
I can't special summon from the extra deck the turn I use Maximus.
Right.
Either. But this is game.
Oh, that's exactly game. Oh. Wait, no, wait. Yeah, that's game right here. Wow.
Invoke
Sitting on that
Mega.
extra Alistair.
Finish him. Flying Bird
Sitting on that-
wins.
Sitting on that extra
Flawless
Alistair doesn't
victory. Perfect.
hurt. No, I didn't have to activate after
Oh.
effect. You hear me?
What?
Yeah, why didn't you use the app colognes?
I was holding the card.
Oh. Ooh.
That's fine.
Negated with Ash.
Dash.
That's fine.
Whoa, what the fuck happened to my shit here?
I was like, if it unloads, just reload it. Oh, hey Ray. Ray, you don't feel bad. You know that?
What you got?
One of my
It's
infamous cards I've used against you plenty of times.
to destroy it. So.
Nobleman
Nobleman
of
of
Extermination.
Extermination.
Is that... What's that nobleman that we don't have yet?
Nobleman of Crossout.
No, the one we don't have yet.
Crossout Designator.
Crossout designator. There we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Being able to end on this is gonna be fun.
What the fuck? My HDMI keeps cutting off, you son of a bitch.
You know that, Ray? And Matthew? Being able to end on this is fun. Since this is still yet to be finished. My turn is still yet to be finished. Activating the deer. Let's see, we can add Maxima, we'll add Ecclesia, Ecclesia, special summon Ecclesia, effect, no, search Maximus, without ever having to use the effect of having diminished Tachyon.
Put him in attack.
I
Ah.
don't need to.
Whoa.
I've got a
My
different.
fucking HDMI keeps cutting off on my TV. What the fuck? I hope it doesn't fuck the video up.
Send.
Second time it does that. What the fuck, bro? Oh, there we go.
Channel 1. Channel 2. So we're gonna get rid of that. Grab that. What we'll do is we'll get rid of that.
You gonna be able to OTK him?
I don't need to.
Grinding it out.
At least on this turn. Tachyon, no. And of course.
Wait, is it an OTK is from 8,000 to 0, right?
In one turn.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Me, honey.
I'll take 500 points of damage.
Yeah, you can.
Do I want to do it? I think I do. Just summon the construct. That's all I need.
No window.
What's the point of window? I can make construct and put more damage on board. Construct is stronger for a reason.
Whose turn is it?
We're still in main phase 2 on Matthews.
Matthew? Main phase 2?
I thought I clicked enter.
It's because I was able to respond to some construct.
It's because Matthew's playing Red Dead Redemption in the background.
No, what? I'm on the voting screen of what to choose.
This is where yeah. Ray, I think you know this combo very well.
This is gonna be what's the Purgatrio?
No.
Ray, you should do like play that game.
That was my first guess, was Agawaides. Fuck. What did you say, Matthew?
You should play Red Dead. It's fun.
Nah, I'm good. I just play Yu-Gi-Oh now.
Do you actually have a PS4?
Yeah.
You do? What games do you have on it?
Battlefield. I only played one game, but now it's like, nah, I'd rather just play Yu-Gi-Oh.
Doesn't bother me.
Like, is it a Star Wars Battlefield game, or is it just...
No, Battlefield. The shooting game?
Battlefield. It's an older video game.
You know, you could probably play the, I can see it at the list. I think I wish it on there, too.
Yeah.
I have it.
Holy shit. At 55, wow. FlyingBird wins. Thank you, FlyingBird and Mmawarrrior56 for the duel.
So you want to earn it back, Matthew?
And
I got a different deck.
comment, share, like, if you sub, did sub, reflected. See you guys.